In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual machine on the Google Cloud platform using Compute Engine. We'll explore both the console method and the command line approach. For starters, let's focus on setting up a VM using the Google Cloud console. To begin, you'll want to sign in to your Google Cloud platform account. If you don't have a project already set up, you'll need to create one or select an existing project that you want to work with. A critical part of this setup is ensuring that billing is enabled for your project and that the Compute Engine API is activated, as both are necessary steps to proceed further with creating a virtual machine. Once you're all set and inside your dashboard, navigate your way over to Compute Engine and then head to VM Instances. If it's your first VM setup within this project, the Compute Engine may take a few moments to initialize the necessary resources. Patience, as they say, is a virtue. Now, click on the Create Instance button. Here, you'll be greeted with a series of options to configure your virtual machine to suit your requirements. Let's dive a bit into that. First, you'll want to give your virtual machine a unique name, something that's easy for you to recognize. Then, you'll decide on the region and zone. For instance, you might choose US Central 1A based on your need for proximity or redundancy. Next up is selecting your machine type. You have a variety of options, but to keep things simple, let's say you go for an E2 Medium, which offers a decent performance with 2 vCPU and 4 GB of RAM, perfect for most basic applications. Moving on is the boot disk configuration. Here, you'll choose your operating system. Options like Ubuntu 24.04 or Debian are popular choices depending on your familiarity and specific requirements. Furthermore, don't forget to decide on the disk type and capacity that your applications will require to operate efficiently. An optional, yet sometimes crucial setting is under the firewall section, where you might need to check off the Allow HTTP traffic option if you plan on hosting a web service on your VM. This little tick ensures that incoming HTTP requests are not blocked by default rules. Once you're happy with all your configurations, hit that Create button. Your new virtual machine will be up and running in about a minute, give or take. And once it's operational, connecting to your new virtual machine is a straightforward process. Simply click the SSH button located in your instance list and you'll establish a secure connection directly to your VM's console. And there you have it. You've just created and connected to a virtual machine using Google Cloud Platform's web user interface. In our next segment, we'll explore doing the same via the command line, which offers a different level of control and efficiency.